Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 20th, and I'm out here in the garden doing a little harvesting. I did promise to do a video on harvesting, which there's a whole lot of stuff to be had. They call this the hunger gap, but I don't think so. I got me a nice Mitchahili here and some stuff for the chickens, but I'm gonna make me a salad. I got a nice little bok choy. I got some little onions, some broccoli sprouts, some radishes, and I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna pick some of this red leaf lettuce. Some of it looks like this one here looks like it's, well, maybe it's not bolting. It's just kind of got a rough time, but I'm gonna pick me a little lettuce here. And of course I got some onion in the house, and I'm gonna make me a little salad. But it's really not a hunger gap right now. I'm probably pick me a little bit of spinach too. It's young, which would be great for this salad. Now I don't do cut and come again. I just keep planting, and that way when I do cut and come again, if there's any bugs available, they normally sense that damage where I've cut them, and they'll start attacking them. But if I just pull up the plants as I go, and I'll start at one end of the row, that way I got an empty place to plant after that. But as you can see, there's no reason for it to be a hunger gap. And of course there is other things that was summer crops that were canned, preserved, so we can use them too. Might even pick me a few mustard leaves and put in there. But everything can be grown under the right conditions. Now, yes, this is in a greenhouse, but the thing about this is I can keep the wind off that. I can't heat it in this greenhouse. So it is food to be had. We are doing harvesting regular. I just figured I'd stop and actually show you a harvest, and things are looking beautiful. Of course, we're getting our soil in better shape. We're not having a problem with the bugs like we normally do, even in the wintertime. When it warms up warmer in here, a lot of times you'll get bugs, but if you get the soil in good shape, our plants are healthier, and they don't send out that signal for the bugs to come in and attack them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. Of course, if you want to see more like this, you know what to do. And of course, give it a big thumbs up and share this video, and let me know how your winter garden is doing. Enjoy that gardening experience.